Hey guys, welcome back. Today is a really exciting video and I'm joined with Sophia. I am doing a video in collaboration with Fashom today. If you didn't know, Fashom is a styling service. It isn't necessarily a subscription service. You can just pick and choose whenever you want to do it. But they will style 2 different outfits for you, and then from those 2 outfits you pick 5 pieces that you want them to send to you, and then you can try them on, and you have 3 days. You have 3 days to decide if you would like to keep items or send them all back. It does cost $9 or $15, I can't remember. I'll leave a little note somewhere around here to let you know. But thank you, Nadine, for reaching out to me to do this video. I'm really excited to do it. Okay guys, well we switched places because she's got to be in the big girl seat and I'm going to sit in her booster seat. So we're going to go ahead and unbox it. So the first thing you get in your box is, what? That is the return bag. And then we have this. And this is the card that says, "Hello Beautiful." Ready? Can you help me read it? Look. So this has all of your price sheet and information and everything on it. And this says, "Hi Samantha, thank you for shopping with Fashom and welcome to your first styling session. I took a look at your Pinterest and Instagram to get a better idea of your personal style. Love it! I selected outfits I think you will like wearing throughout the fall and winter season. Please feel free to leave feedback on the app." So I got my note, and then I have my invoice, which is all the prices of all my pieces, so we'll definitely go over that. And then it just has a note, and it gives you a little information on what to do about your styling, so that's awesome. And we will open my bundle, which is very thick. I did pick 5 complete pieces to try. I was trying to get them all, but then I realized you could only pick 5, so I just picked the 5 that I liked the most. So this is what my bundle looks like. Pretty neutral and very fallish. So the first thing that I have are these jeans. These are from Joan Vass Pure. These are a size 4, 27 in the waist. And this is sustainable. This product is made from recycled plastic bottles. That's pretty cool. That's really awesome. So these are the pants. They're just a nice pair of skinny jeans. I think they're going to be probably high-rise. There's the dark denim, plain denim all the way down, and then the back pockets are plain as well. These do look a little bit big, but I can't fit in a size 4, so we'll just have to see. And let's read the price sheet. These are mid-rise skinny jeans, size 4, and they are $38. So that's a pretty good price for denim. The next thing I see is another pair of jeans. These jeans were a little bit different than what I would usually style. They looked a little bit lighter online, Sophia's seen. And these are probably going to be too big because they're a size 6, but we'll just see them. These are from Kinsey Jeans. They are the Vintage Slim Ankle Crop. These are a size 6, 28 in the waist. These are definitely going to be too big, but maybe they're supposed to fit bigger. But they're just like a medium wash, and at the crop it is like flared out and it has a frayed hem. And then the back of the pockets are just plain as well. So those are high-waisted. They're called the high-waist vintage slim jeans. It says size 4, but they sent me a size 6, so I don't know if they messed something up. And they are $43. So the next thing is this really cozy cardigan, and it's from the brand Ruby Moon. It's a size small, and it's really, really soft. It's like, it looks kind of mint green on this camera. I can't really tell. I think it's more of a light color, but it's really cozy. The sleeves just are normal sleeves. It's really long, and it has pockets in the front. So this is really awesome and a good staple to have. That is called the Slub 2-Pocket Cardigan Small, and it says it's gray. I guess I could see maybe gray. It looks kind of minty. And it is $38. The next thing is velvet. I didn't realize it was velvet on the site. It is this velvet tie crop top. It's from the brand Mink Pink, which is a brand that I do really like. It is just long sleeve red velvet. It's really, really soft, and it is a size small. It is called the Midnight Hour Crop Top. It's a small red, and it's $30. So that's not a bad price for Mink Pink. And my last item of clothing is this, if I can figure it out somehow. I don't really know. Oh, I think it goes like this. I don't know, I guess what to see. I think it's like a off-the-shoulder shirt, but it's kind of hard to show. It's long sleeve, and it is like a bleached wash. I can't remember what that's called, but it has a ruffle detail. I think this will definitely be able to tell better when it's on. It is from the brand Fate, and it is a size small. So really comfortable and soft. That is called the Off the Shoulder Top in Charcoal, and it is $30. So I really like all the pieces that I got. I'm really excited to try them on. Altogether, the pieces are $179, and if I buy 3+ items, it's 25% off, which I do like that it's only if you get 3 rather than all 5 like Stitch Fix. So I get 25% off if I get 3, and that'd be $44.75 off, so my total is $134.25. And for 5 pieces, that's a really good price. So let's go ahead and get on to the try-on and see what I think about them. So I tried on the off-the-shoulder top first, and I'm not really sure this is my style. I kind of wish that this wasn't so close to my neck, like it was like out further. I just gave Sophia a donut, and she's really excited about it, so sorry if you hear. I just am not sure if this is really my style. The sleeves are really loose, and I'm not a big fan of bell sleeves, and the ruffle just looks kind of weird on me, honestly. I'll get on the chair to show you a little bit better. It does come like just a little bit past my jeans. I think it would be cute on someone else. I thought I would just try it because it's different than my normal style, but it's not my favorite shirt on me. So I think I'll definitely send this back. Okay guys, I have the jeans on. They are mid-rise for sure. I really do like the feel of these. These are just like a good basic denim to have. They fit me pretty well. Like I still have a little bit of room in the waist, and they come just above my ankle, which is fine with me. I think they look really cute. I do really like these jeans, and they're pretty comfortable on. So I have the cardigan on. I just threw on a New Day Target tank top that I had. I still have on those dark skinny jeans, and I really love this cardigan. I don't know if I'd call it a gray, but I really like the pockets on it. It's really soft, and it is like the perfect length. It comes like mid-thigh in the back. It's really cute on, and I think I might get this too. This is really cute. I do like this velvet, and I think it's a cute top. I just don't think that I can necessarily wear it right now, and it's like really, really cropped. But I do like the idea of it, and if you can wear it, then go for it. I have on the high-waisted flared skinnies on. I think a 4 definitely would have fit me better. A 6 is just a little bit too big, but these do seem to run small, so maybe size up a bit. I do like where they hit, and I like the wash, but I just am not a fan of this flare at the bottom. I don't really think that I'm cool enough to pull it off. I do think that if you can, do it because they're really cute and comfortable, but for me, I just don't think they're the style that I would personally wear. So you just saw the try-on. I am really excited. There were a few pieces that I wasn't so sure about. I definitely think I'm probably going to return that off-the-shoulder top, the flared jeans, and probably that red top, just because I don't really have anywhere to wear it. It is really cute, but now that I'm a mom, I kind of have to watch what I wear, so I just don't think that's appropriate for me to wear it now. But I really, really love those dark denim skinny jeans, and also that cardigan was really awesome, and I think it would be a great staple. I think right now I'm probably leaning more towards the cardigan rather than the skinny jeans, just because I have a few pairs of jeans right now. And I don't wear them a ton. I think I'm definitely going to get the sweater out of everything. If you are interested in anything, or you would like to try out Fashom, I'll leave my link below, and I'll leave the names and prices of everything below, and maybe you can request them. Thank you so much to Fashom for reaching out to me. I'm really excited, and I think I'm going to do another video with them too. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!